Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HandBrake for batch transcodes after editing, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the HandBrake application on your computer. Once HandBrake is launched, locate the source option in the upper left corner. Click on source, then select open file or open folder to import your video files. After importing, navigate to the title drop-down menu to select the specific titles you wish to transcode. Adjust the settings in the Output Settings section according to your preferences. Select the desired format from the Format drop-down, such as MP4 or MKV. In the Video tab, choose your video codec, like H.264 or H.265. Move to the Audio tab to select the audio tracks and codecs you want. If you need subtitles, go to the Subtitles tab and add any subtitle tracks required. Next, navigate to the Filters tab to apply any video filters you might want. After adjusting all settings, save the current configuration by clicking Save New Preset at the top right. Give your preset a name for easy identification in the future. Once your settings are saved, return to the main interface of HandBrake. Next, click the Browse button at the bottom to select the destination folder where you want the transcode saved. After that, review your settings in queue to ensure everything is set as intended. To add multiple files for batch processing, click on Add to Queue after each file selection. Once all files are added, click on the Start Queue button to begin the transcoding process. Watch the progress bar at the bottom to monitor the status of your batch transcode. After the process is completed, check the destination folder for your transcoded files. Your batch transcodes are now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.